Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we got to rush to get to the park so we can do our videos, because as you can see it's 4:38. It gets dark at 5 o'clock now. So we're heading to the park right now so we can get this video in for y'all. So it's gonna be more testing and tuning today. Not so much as the race, but I want to compare the two RCs to see, you know, how up to speed the red one is versus the green one. So that's where we're at. We're headed to our little spot right now, and yeah, as soon as we get to the end, we'll start them up and we'll see what we got. So stay tuned. We're coming up on our spot, and it looks like someone's where we normally park, so no worries. We still got pretty open clearing here, so we'll just pull alongside here and continue our little test and tune.
A few moments later.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here, boy. You have no control? It must be down. Is your light flashing red? Okay guys, so let this be a lesson. Charge up your receiver first, because that's what happened on both RCs. The receiver is done. But we did manage to get a little bit of footage, so it's all good. So this is part one of testing tunes. So what I have to do again is come back out here once we get them charged up, and then we can come back out here and try it again. So until next time, thanks you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. We need all the community support out there. And let me know how you like the TRAXXAS Revo 3.3 in the comments below. And as always, y'all be easy. Peace.